Hello everyone. On today's episode, I'll be showing you how to make roasted short ribs over creamy mashed potatoes. But first, here's Loki. Now let's season your short ribs. Add a generous amount of salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder on all sides of the short rib. Time for a cat break. Now heat your skillet at medium-high, add some butter and some olive oil. Once the butter's melted, add your short ribs. Now let's make sure all sides of the short rib is nice and brown, just like this. Once all the short ribs are brown, let's set them all to the side for now. Beautiful. Now let's dice some celery, some carrots, and some onions. Now add them to the same pan you cooked your short ribs and get your onions nice and soft, and add your carrots and celery. Let everything cook for about a minute and add a cup of red wine. Let's let the wine reduce, then add some tomato paste and mix it all together. Now let's add about 2 cups of beef stock and let it simmer for about 3 minutes. Now pour the broth over the short ribs, add a whole garlic, some thyme, and some rosemary, and make sure you cover it nice and well. Now place your ribs in the oven and cook at 350 degrees for about 4 hours. Time for a cat break. Hey Milo, hey Loki. Now let's make some mashed potatoes. Let's dice the potatoes up. Now drop them in the boiling pot. Once the potatoes are nice and tender, drain and set to the side. Now add about 2 tablespoons of butter in a pot. Add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese in the pot. 1 tablespoon of sour cream in the pot. Add the potatoes. Season with some salt, some garlic powder, some black pepper, and let's begin mashing. Now let's add about 3 pinches of 4 cheese. Mix well. Add a small amount of dry or fresh basil. Now we add about a half a cup of heavy cream and mix well. Add some Parmesan cheese to taste and mix well. Now that your short ribs is done, let's put them to the side in a separate container and strain all that delicious broth. Now let's add that broth to a medium heat pan. Mix well. Add some starch water to thicken. Once the broth has thickened, now you can plate and serve. This dish came out so good, and it plates beautifully. Look at that dish. Looks so good. Time to find out what my wife thinks. I'm sure she's gonna love it.
What's this?
Short rib over creamy mashed potatoes and garlic spinach.
Mashed potatoes are delicious. So is the spinach. That's really good, babe.
Yeah.
That's like definitely a solid. I'm gonna give it like a 9 to a 9 point, like a 9 to a 9.5.
Okay. Glad you like it.
Thanks.
It's really good. That right there is really slimy.